How's it going, skiers and riders? I'm John, and this is your Saturday, December 21st, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. It's still cold, and that means our snowmakers have been pumping out some fresh man-made snow for us all to enjoy, and our groomers have been pushing it across the mountain to give us a total of 18 open trails and 7 lift spinning so you can get your pre-Christmas turns in. For those of you looking to go big, we have a few features up on Hitchcock worth checking out, and we will have the full park build coming Monday, so get your warm-up laps while you can. Don't forget, you will need a park pass to get in, so be sure to head to customer service to pick one up. It's officially winter, and that means today is the shortest day of the year. Come ski or ride while wearing shorts, and you can enter to win a pair of lift tickets. We also have our Polar Express celebration going on. Starting at 11, we'll be playing the Polar Express, and we'll have tons going on from Stuff-A-Bear as well as carolers. And we also have Santa swinging by at some point to spread some holiday cheer. That's all I have for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Saturday, and I'll see you on the slopes.